QSI Stock Wednesday. If you're interested into QSI stock analysis, just watch this 1-minute video till the end. Quantum SI stock is just 7% up, which is a good, beautiful performance. More so, we're just going to come here to the daily chart and just show you where exactly we are. I'm going to show you even my drawings right now. I've done 35,000 videos, spent thousands on courses, mentors, and seeing what's worked for me, what's not. And overall, as I've seen the where we are part, generally speaking, I'm still just like indecisive. Like from a day trade perspective, I mean, that's a whole different story, like tomorrow when we open like 9:30, I mean, I'm going to be out of the market like by like 2 p.m. if I'm really looking to day trade this. It really depends like how volatile it's not and whatnot. But I'm actually looking for longs, and as long as I see like a little retracements and my rules are met, quite definitely like nothing will be stopping me from potentially just looking the thing up. But like I'm just saying, that's day trade perspective. Swing, it must break either above this high or just like a lower time frame shift in order for me to take things up. Other than that, like everything else is noise, and I'm definitely going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'm sending an email tomorrow, so you might as well get it. It's free.